Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be starting a series of videos where we are going to prepare one main dish, and that main dish will then be used in several different ways. We're going to start today with cauliflower con queso. Here are the ingredients that we need to make this dish: cauliflower, Pasilla chiles, onion, cilantro, garlic, and later on we are also going to use corn and cheese. Now let's get cooking. Let's start by cleaning and chopping our cauliflower. Half of the cauliflower should do fine. Now we're going to add about 2 cups of frozen corn to a hot pan. Keep stirring the corn so that it warms up. Then continue chopping the vegetables while that is cooking. You know, cooking is a multitasking game. While I'm chopping the vegetables here, I'm still watching the pan with the corner of my eye, making sure that it doesn't burn. Add a little oil. About 3 tablespoons. I like using avocado oil for cooking. Let's add the onions. And we're going to cook this until the onions are translucent. Now we're going to add a little garlic. About 1.5 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon will do. Once you add the garlic, you need to keep your full attention on the pan. You don't want your garlic to burn because garlic turns bitter when it's burned. Now this is my favorite part. This is where we start adding flavor to the food. Let's add some spice. This is cumin, and we are going to add about half a teaspoon. Now we're going to add about half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Now be careful with this. If you don't like your food to be too spicy, you can omit or you can add less. And now the salt, about half a teaspoon as well. Stir this in. Now let's add the pepper or chile pasilla. This is going to give this a nice crunch and a fresh flavor. Now for the star of this show, the cauliflower. We're going to add about half of a cauliflower or 3 cups. If you notice, I did chop the entire cauliflower and I'm setting the rest aside. Once the cauliflower is translucent, but it's still al dente, it's time to add the cheese. I like to use queso fresco, but really you can use any other type of cheese that you like. We're gonna add about half a pound of queso fresco. Once the cheese is melted, then the dish is pretty much done. And here you have it, my friends. This is cauliflower con queso. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. We are going to serve it with salsa. If you have not watched the video on how to make salsa, I invite you to do so. If you like this recipe, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Delicious. Now we are going to take the rest of the cauliflower con queso and we are going to put it on a dish so that we can save it in the refrigerator. Stay tuned because on our next video we're going to take this cauliflower con queso to a whole different level. That's all for now. Until next time, bye bye.